You walk past digital menus in the drive-thru or, tap those interactive kiosks at the mall, right? They're always glowing. The graphics are perfectly animated.
Yeah, it really feels a bit like magic just floating there on the wall. But have you ever stopped to wonder what is actually powering them?
Well, I could tell you it's definitely not magic, and it is rarely a standard computer tower just shoved in a broom closet somewhere.
Right. So today we are taking a deep dive into the hidden infrastructure behind those screens.
Specifically, we're looking at a device from HDTV Supply called the BrightSign LS425. It's a digital signage player. So, uh, what exactly is happening behind the drywall?
Well, to understand how businesses keep these displays running flawlessly, especially during like a massive lunch rush, you really have to look at the specialized hardware.
Because the BrightSign LS425 isn't just a normal PC, right?
Not at all. I mean, it's incredibly compact. It's about the size of a stack of drink coasters, under 20 millimeters thick. But the real secret is that it runs its own purpose-built operating system.
Okay, let's unpack this. Why does it need its own operating system? Like, why not just hook up a cheap laptop to a TV monitor and call it a day?
Because systems like Windows or Mac OS are built to do a million different things.
Right, they go to sleep, they force software updates, they crash.
Exactly. BrightSign OS does basically one thing. It just plays media continuously. It handles 1080p video at 60 frames per second completely smoothly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it runs HTML5 widgets natively without breaking a sweat.
HTML5 widgets, meaning like web code. Why does a fast food menu board need web code?
Imagine a restaurant menu that automatically updates to show the soup of the day, or, a transit kiosk showing live weather and train delays.
Oh, I see. So HTML5 allows the screen to pull that live data directly from the web.
Right, without someone needing to upload a totally new video file, it makes the display dynamic rather than just a looping videotape.
That makes total sense. It's like a highly specialized, ultra-reliable mini computer that never sleeps, completely bypassing the clunkiness of a regular laptop.
Yeah, exactly.
But, I mean, even the best software doesn't matter if someone accidentally kicks the plug out.
Which happens all the time in busy retail spaces. What's fascinating here is how the physical design of this player actually anticipates human error.
Like what?
Well, it comes ready out of the box with a pre-installed 32GB microSD card for storage. It's got USB-C for single-touch interactive screens, Ethernet.
With optional Wi-Fi, right?
Yep, and crucially, a locking power connector.
Okay, a locking power connector. Honestly, that sounds like the most boring feature ever.
It sounds boring until you picture a packed sports bar on a Friday night.
Oh, like a server rushes past the TV, a mop handle snags a wire behind the bar.
Exactly. If that screen is running off a regular laptop charger, the cord pops out, your entire digital tap list goes black, and suddenly you've got chaos.
Right, so a locked power cord means that passing mop isn't taking down your whole digital storefront.
Spot on. Physical security and minimizing downtime are just as crucial as the picture quality.
Wow, okay, so what does this all mean? I mean, looking at the price on HDTV Supply, who, by the way, are a massive vendor with a 25-year history.
Yeah, and they sell this whole ecosystem of Wolfpack matrix systems.
Right, which led a business route video to dozens of different screens at once. So, HDTV Supply sells this player for about $373.
Uh-huh.
Wait, $373 just to play 1080p video. Isn't that a bit steep when 4K consumer devices are so cheap? I could buy a Roku for a fraction of that.
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, you have to remember you aren't just buying pixels. A Roku is meant for your living room couch.
Right, not a commercial space.
Exactly. With the BrightSign, that price tag pays for the ecosystem and commercial-grade reliability that standard tech just can't offer. Like, it includes their Control Cloud management system for free.
Meaning you can manage the content remotely.
Yes. A business owner can update the pricing on a digital menu board from their laptop at home. They don't have to drive to the store with a USB stick.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah, you are paying for the guarantee that the screen won't go black, won't show a random Windows is updating pop-up, and can be managed securely from anywhere in the world.
So the BrightSign LS425 really is this hidden workhorse. It strips away all the bloated software of a regular computer, gives you a locked-in, durable piece of hardware, and just keeps the information flowing to you seamlessly.
It really is the silent, reliable partner keeping modern commercial spaces running smoothly.
The next time you tap an interactive screen at a mall or stare at a digital menu trying to decide what to order, take a second to think about the tiny, locked-in boxes humming away behind the drywall.
It's doing all the heavy lifting.
It makes you wonder, what other pieces of invisible infrastructure are secretly guiding your daily life?